I've got a dirty door. What is this all about?
Identity theft.
Good. Think of this girl passing herself off as me.
Humiliating. What is this thing?
It's a fluoroscope.
What's it do? It reads bones.
What you got?
How does that tell you anything?
Heavy.
The real Carl Gardner sustained some fractures. Interesting. How would you know? We got a hold of the broker who underwrote the medical insurance.
Avianna.
In 99, that was 4 years before the identity theft happened. Makes the girls whose fractures